Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue. The problem is that when you try to log into Instagram, you get a pop-up saying, something went wrong. If you're facing this error on your Instagram app, here's how you can fix it. First, go to your phone settings. Make sure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi network and that your VPN is turned off. After that, go to the search bar in Settings and type Instagram. Once you find the Instagram app, tap on it. Now go to the notification section and enable all notifications. Then go to permissions and allow all the permissions for Instagram. After that, scroll down and tap on storage. Here you will see options to clear cache and clear data. First, clear the cache and then clear the app data completely. Once that's done, go back and open your Instagram app again. Try logging in, and your problem should now be fixed. And that's the video.